Welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to create ghost effect for your edits in CapCut. Just follow my steps. Adjust your clips. Now trim the clip at the point you want the ghost effect to happen. Now make a duplicate of your clip and add it above. Now add a transform keyframe and zoom it in the next keyframe. I will make it shorter since it's going to be only for less than a second. Now add a graph. You can choose any, but I prefer cubic out. Next, what you need to do is add a blend keyframe in the beginning. Keep its opacity 100%, and then add a keyframe in the middle and keep its opacity between 20 to 30%. Then add a keyframe in the end, keep its opacity 0. Now we can see the ghost effect. Apply some graph according to your liking. To improve it even further, we will go to Adjustments, look for Saturation, and add a keyframe. Then add a keyframe in the middle or end, and change saturation to 0. We can see our ghost effect. Hope it helps.